Hi guys, Hugs by Cats here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy collection. I think like the hype for squishies died down ever since 2018 because that's when they were in their peak when they came back around. So I don't think anyone cares about squishies anymore because we have like new fidget toys, but I'm a squishy lover at heart. So I just want to show you guys like the stupid ones that I have. So counting, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like separate bags of squishies. I do have more just like lying around the house, but you'll see them in the room tour. So I got these from Daiso. I don't know who they are. They smell very cute. Wait, did the sun? Wait a minute. Because I'm noticing a color difference. Has it always been like that? Because sometimes I put these out in like the sun. No, I don't think that's normal. Aw, man. That's one thing I like dislike about squishies, how the color fades so easily, even if they're out in the sun for less than a month. Whatever. I mean, I don't use these anyway. I just like bought them to collect them, but it still matters. Like, oh my god, is this the same too? I can't tell if that's the actual design or not. I hope it isn't. I mean, I hope it is. I'm gonna have a blast putting these back. For this bag, I think I'm just gonna show you guys individually. I'm not gonna talk much since we have like a lot to go through, so. These aren't like special. I know no one cares about like the common squishies, but I don't know, like I love those the most rather than the expensive one, you know, eye bloom and all that. I don't know, there's something more special about the common ones. I hope I'm putting background music throughout all this because I'm not talking, so. So, mini quick story time about how these turned to dust. I was on the LIR ready to go home, and I'm like, my right side is where the train is, and my phone was in my pocket and I had these two on like little phone straps, and I guess it was like heavy, so my phone literally slipped out of my jacket pocket and it fell onto the LIR tracks where the train was. There was a train right there. It wasn't moving, like it was about to leave, and it was my train too, so it's like, and it took like over an hour to get it back because I don't know, they were being like mad weird about it. Oh my god, what's wrong with this eye? Also, it's kind of hard to like have a squishy collection but also be very addicted to hot chips like Takis and hot Cheetos and whatever kind of snacks there are, because yeah, you gotta wash your hands, but then the dust still remains, or like the red coloring, so you can't even squish them without leaving a print, which I did today. I feel bad for this one because I left it out in the sun, and since she's white, like a lot of discoloration. Among Us. This one too, I put on my phone strap and now it's all faded. I got this from Amazon. Next is this huge bag of all of my food squishies. Oh my god, like how am I gonna show you guys individually all these without it being boring? Like, do I talk throughout all of it? I don't know. A lot of these are individually wrapped because I bought them from eBay. Oh my god, if you guys could smell this. Oh my god, it smells so good, like bread. You know, people say like don't smell those kind of toys like too frequently because of all the chemicals, but like we're all gonna die anyway, so let me do my thing. Also, it's kind of sad that the squishy community is like kind of dead. I'm waiting till the day that squishies come back like trending. I'm there. Any toy store and I see squishies, I'm there. This was one of my first ones. I think I got it on Depop, which I am now banned from. But I'll say that in another video. But when I bought these on eBay, they were, I think one was $5 and the other was like $6. So the total came out to $12 and they were $30 each. So, but these are all like really ugly. And now on Amazon or AliExpress, eBay, Mercari. Well, I got my squishies from Mercari recently, but when you go ahead and buy them and you see the front pictures, all these like cute different squishies of bread buns and then blush buns, and then you see some like fake Hello Kitty, fake Rilakkuma, you're like, oh my god, all these look so cute. But then when you actually get it in the mail, it's just this. So that's kind of disappointing how, like, I guess they don't manufacture squishies like that anymore. I don't know, because they got lazy, or does it cost more money? But then I will be willing to pay more if the pictures actually look identical. So it's like, gotta step up. Amazon, you gotta step up. Shing. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love, like, oh my god, it smells like bread and it's so good. How many more do I have of these? Like, the bag isn't even halfway done. This is super cute. Oh my god, I would definitely go to Japan only to buy the squishies there, but that would be in like the early like 2010s when they were like actually popping. Oh boy. These I got from Amazon last year, 2022. I should buy another squishy package from Amazon just to see, you know. My best friend actually bought this for me like 2 years ago or last year. Depop. Man, I wish I could use Depop again. Imagine all this. Oh my god, there was this one seller. She was selling like a bunch of common squishies. And I never got the chance to buy from her. And I was literally so close to doing so, but then, you know, Depop like had other plans, so. OMG, we're almost finished. You guys could just see. Like, we know what squishies look like. Here was the last one in the bag. It's an apple. Now, on to the actual good squishies. Here we go. I have a bunch of these cat ones, which I actually gave a green one to my mom last year. And she put it on her cell phone. And her work involves like a lot of dirt. So it literally got destroyed within the first week, and I haven't seen it since. God, I love like the fake Hello Kitty squishies. They're so cute. Like this one. This one's like extremely soft. I don't know if some people prefer like squishing out of the packaging or in the packaging. I'm a huge fan of like desserts, treats, squishies, decoration, whatever. So, oh, also this. Like when I first opened it, when I got it in the mail, I immediately thought Nana. And this is so soft. These I bought in like some kind of vacant mall in upstate New York, and they were $4, $6, $5 each. Oh my god, this was just in August when I couldn't post much on YouTube. I went crazy. I bought as many as I could, and the total came out to I think only $48 for everything I'm showing you, plus 1, 2. I have 2 other more, but those are around my room, which you'll see in the future. Last box, and we're finished. Whew. Okay, I can do this. This is what I was talking about, how you get Cheeto dust on the white squishies. So I did that this morning. Ow. Look how I organized these. I feel like this is me. One of my first squishies. He's ruined. This one too. To clearly tell the dirtiness of it. I have so much hamburger squishies that like I just got in bundles over the like 2 months. Once again, me again. This I just got at the thrift store like the past week. I think it's a deco one. It's really cool. And this one too in the same package of the thrift store. Okay, last but not least is just this one. Toast. Okay guys, I'm all pooed out from all that, but it was definitely worth it showing you my interest. I collect a lot of things. One of them is virtual. I collect like the Dead by Daylight Fang Min cosmetics, but I counted it last night. I think I collect 6 like individual items in total. So like squishies, the Pusheen, the Mario, the Dead by Daylight, anything dessert themed, etc. Shirts like this, clothing, and like accessories. And anyway, that's it for the video. I know this was a little bit boring, but I just want to show off what I have now. Room tour coming soon, don't worry, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Hugs Fat Cats signing off. Bye guys.